In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media strategy with Trello. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized board set up from a template, ready to guide your content planning and publishing. Start on your Trello boards page where you can see everything you already have. From here, go to the top and click Create, then choose Create Board. Instead of building from scratch, we'll use a template to save time and start with a proven structure. Select the option to start with a template, and then click Explore Templates to open Trello's gallery. In the gallery, you can use the search bar to look up terms like social media, content calendar, or marketing. If you're not sure what to search, browse the categories. Business and design often include templates with workflows that fit content planning, and even education can contain clear, staged layouts that work surprisingly well for a content pipeline. The category is simply a starting point. Pick something that matches how you like to think and work. When you see a template that looks promising, click it to open the details. Take a moment to review the lists and any sample cards included. You're looking for a structure that maps well to your strategy, such as columns that move ideas toward approval, scheduling, and publish status. Check whether the labels make sense for your channels and whether the example due dates or checklists feel helpful for your process. This quick review will save you time later. Once you're confident in your pick, click Use Template. Give your new board a clear, descriptive title so everyone instantly understands its purpose. For example, something like your brand name and the time period you're planning for. Don't worry, you can update the title later as your strategy evolves. Next, choose the appropriate workspace. This is the shared space where your teammates collaborate, so select the one your marketing or content team uses. Assigning the right workspace up front ensures the right people can access and contribute to the plan without extra steps. Finally, click Create. Trello will generate your new board from the template you selected. You now have a ready-made hub for your social media strategy with a structure that supports brainstorming, prioritizing, and scheduling content. From here, you can adapt the board to your cadence and channels, using the existing lists as a backbone to track ideas, tasks, and publishing dates. That's it. You navigated to your boards, created a new one, started from a template, explored the gallery, selected a layout, named it, chose your workspace, and created the board. You're set up for a smoother, more consistent social media workflow.